I've dedicated these few days to help those of you that have been struggling with how to pay for your online transactions, especially if you want to fund your Facebook ad account or your Google ad account or TikTok or just any other online transactions at all. I have an amazing payment solution for you. This card I'm about to show you off is one of the best online payment card out there, and it's free. Apart from using it to fund your ad account, you can also pay for anything from your Adobe Photoshop to your hotel reservations to AliExpress order, eBay, and just any one of them. This card is called Spend.net. Now, Spend.net cards work worldwide, and the interesting part, this dollar card is free. That's not all. It also gives you a 2% cashback on every purchase you make with this card. One of the issues many people complain about many online payment cards are hidden or unrealistic charges. That is exactly why you want to switch to the Spend.net card, because this card charges you 0% for transactions, 0% for declines, 0% for currency exchange operations, 0% for card or account withdrawals, 0% for refund, 0% of account top up, and for the top up fee, here it can actually be customized. The top up fee depends on your choice as a card user. You can select the preferred percentage when adding funds to your card balance. This Spend.net special advertising payment card are accepted on all major ad platforms, including Facebook ad, Google ad, TikTok ad, and several more. So let me highlight some of the reasons why I think this would be the best card for you. First is your ability to earn while spending. So all Speed.net cards offer automatic cashback on your expenses. A 2% cashback is credited on all your spending made with the Spend.net advertising cards. Also, these virtual cards are provided with full payment details like you have in any other legit card out there. So you have your card number, your expiry date, and your CVV codes, meaning that you can make any kind of transactions on this card. Additionally, they are equipped with 3D secure protection technology, so your card can be rejected on any payment platform online. The 3D secure technology helps successfully pass any AWS checks. Also, users of Spend.net cards can choose cards with suitable bank identification number for all major advertising platforms, like I already mentioned. The service carefully selects BIN to minimize the risk of card declines to the barest minimum. Usually, there are 20 bank identification numbers available to users, including 6 unique BIN specifically for advertising payments. Like I already said, these cards are specially designed with advertisers in mind. All Spend.net cards operate on Visa and Mastercard network, and they meet the anti-fraud requirement of all advertising platforms. So how do you get the Spend.net card? You can easily sign up via the sign up link in the video description using your Google account, or simply providing your email address and create a password for yourself. Cards can be created by following straightforward on-screen instructions, completing a basic KYC process when you start. Once you sign in into your personal account, you can select the required number of cards and issue them with a single click. Once you get your account set up, you can fund your card using the USDT or the BTC. If you encounter any issue at any time, this payment platform have a robust service managers that are available 24/7 to assist you. You can access support via live chat within your personal account dashboard. It's that simple. So if you think this card will meet your payment need, then you can sign up using the sign up link in the video description, fund your card, and start enjoying the services. Please like this video and help me share so that more persons get to see this information. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet and you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when I make new videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.